Very. Probably the most overused word in the English dictionary. A lot of people struggle with finding alternatives to the word very. I am feeling very happy today. I'm feeling very sad today. Life is very difficult today. Do you sound like this? Because if you do, then that's completely fine. But if you have a problem with this, then this video can actually help you change that. Here are 6 idioms that you can use instead of saying very. Now understand one thing, there is no one idiom or 2 idioms that can actually change or replace the word very. That's kind of impossible. But instead of using, for example, very happy, you can use this idiom. Instead of saying very sad, you can use this idiom. So the main objective of this entire video would be to show you that there are so many different phrases or speeches that you can use instead of saying just one word. Also, we've launched an ebook which contains so many words, idioms, and phrasal verbs that you can use and are actually practical. Check it out in our website. The first idiom would be over the moon. Instead of saying very happy, you can use over the moon. For example, I got my promotion and I was over the moon. Amazing. You can use this idiom almost anytime. It's a very simple idiom and a lot of people know this, so you can use this without the fear of, oh god, did he understand me? Alright, next one. Idiom number 2, down in the dumps. Instead of saying very sad, you could say this. For example, while she got the promotion, David has been down in the dumps because he lost his job. Simple. Idiom number 3, a tough nut to crack. This one means very difficult. This math problem is a tough nut to crack. I suck at maths, so every math problem is difficult. Idiom number 4, turn heads. Instead of saying very sexy, you can say that that person turns heads. Or you can say, he turned heads in that amazing suit. Idiom number 5, piece of cake. This is for very easy, one of the most popular and commonly used idioms. You could say that filming a YouTube video nowadays is a piece of cake. And idiom number 6, scared stiff. You can use this idiom in the place of saying very scared. For example, he was scared stiff while watching the horror movie. Now remember, these idioms are super common, very simple to use, and also very easy to remember as well. Now some of you may think, Jonah, why do I actually have to use these idioms? And I say to that, you don't. You absolutely do not have to. But this video is for those people that kind of struggle and find it annoying that they keep saying very a lot. If that is you, then you can use these idioms to your advantage. I've made sure to choose the idioms which are really popular and everyone can understand. If you feel like we're worth it, if you feel like you've learned at least one thing new today, then I suggest that you should hit the subscribe button. But apart from that, I'll see you guys next week.